Hi everyone, this is Anna from All DIY Crafts, and today we're going to be making a fun confetti coaster. And I'm actually going to be using this mold that takes about 100 mLs of resin, and I like it because it's got the lip so that even if a drink sweats, it's not going to roll off the coaster and onto your surface. So what I'm going to be using is my art resin. I think you can see it. And I'm going to be doing, it's a 1-to-1 mixture. We're going to do a 1-to-1 on that, and then we're going to be adding confetti glitter that I got from Michael's. It's like a translucent. And then we're going to be doing a confetti that I got from Fairy Tale Glitters. I don't know if you can see it. It's a fun glitter. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me get the resin into my cup and we'll start going. Okay, so we now have it mixed completely. I'm going to pour half of this out because I have another project that I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to take half of it, and hopefully that's half. Yeah, that's about half right there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to add our glitter. And then we're going to add this other glitter in there. I could use just a little bit more. There's some big chunks in there that aren't completely cut up, so you have to make sure you push those down. A little bit of glitter left on there. And we will go ahead and mix this in. Now I'm going to go ahead and start to pour. I'm going to start to pour in the middle. I'm just going to kind of let it fill out. And then once I see that it's kind of filled here, we're going to go around the edges with a little skewer to make sure we get any air bubbles that might be stuck in there. So I like to go through and just kind of displace any air bubbles that might be there. And some of the, like the cellophane looking glitter, I mean, some of it might trap some air, so you just kind of want to make sure. Okay, so we can pour some more. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let this set. We are going to use our heat gun real quick. We have some bubbles here. I stirred really slowly so I wouldn't have very many bubbles. So you squirt with just a little bit of alcohol, 91%, so it'll get any bubbles. That's very thick. And then one of the things I'm going to use is I don't know if you can see it in the background, it's one of the resin curers, the quicker ones. It's a 2-hour, 1 button. Watch, I just turned it on by accident. I just turned it off. There you are. So basically when you want to start it, you just turn it on and it's automatically set for 2 hours. And so one of the tricks that I do is if this is filled too full, it's going to be hard. Let me get this out of the way. It's going to be hard to set it in there so deep. This comes out. This is just if you have multiple layers. This is just a flat mold, so I'm not too worried about it. There's actually a mold that will sit on top of it up here. so that you could put these, you can just dry a whole bunch of stuff at once. What is hard though is if I were to try to pick this up right now and set it on here, it might leak. So one of the things that I do use is we bought this old pizza lifter. I guess this is called a shovel handle, and I will actually lift it up and then I will lay it flat and I will slide it off. It only really works on the top level here. It's going to be a little bit harder if you try to do something deeper down there. If it was something deeper down there, I would go ahead and just pour the resin in here, do my stuff, and then I would pull it out or put the lid on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get this in there, and we will see you in a couple hours. Okay, we're back, and it was exactly 2 hours, and this is now cured. So it was 100 mLs of art resin, and let's go ahead and demold this. Let's see what's happening here. I really like these mats because even if a little bit of resin that wasn't mixed is in there, it falls in between the grooves and it doesn't get on your projects. So I have to clean this mat. I've been doing a few things today. Okay, and there it is. Now it's still pretty pliable, but I did this one earlier today and it is pretty rock hard already. And I used a little bit of the extra resin that we had left, and I domed it in the back. So this one's still going to need that. It's got a little bit of resin coming off right here that I need to deal with. Let me see if I can get this. You can see how pretty it is. It is really gorgeous. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. I will be doing more of them. There's links below for all the supplies that I used, and you guys have a really good day.